So, we have something a little bit different for you today. We've got some binoculars. We don't normally sell binoculars, but we got these specially sent to us from our inside man at Nikon. These are 7x15mm. Now, we like anything that is a little bit retro or a little bit vintage. These are actually modern binoculars that I'm going to open up for you that have been styled in a retro fashion. So, I'm going to use the display cabinet as my table there. So you get the usual paperwork, the warranty card, the product guide. They come in silver and black. We prefer the black ones. Then you've got the instruction manual there in several different languages. So that's all the paperwork that comes with it. And then you also get a neck strap for it, although you'll see why in a minute. I think a leather neck strap is perfect for these. And then they come in this lovely leather case. Now, if I open that up, you'll see what I mean. They're just like the little binoculars that you would get in the opera house. If you were going to the theatre or to the ballet or something like that, then you could take these. Very powerful. They focus as close as 2 meters, which is great if you're going to go to a museum or to an exhibition or something like that. And if I just take the little caps off, you can see they come with a diopter adjustment, and then you adjust the focus with the wheel on the top there. And they are only 135 grams, so they're very, very light. They'll fit in a handbag, and they're quite fantastic. There we go. And I can focus down the end of the street, or actually as close as just inside the shop. So, something a little bit different for you today.